Espera. No me importa, cállate ya. Ya te lo dije, Páez no está aquí. Bueno, no está ahora. Es que no apareció, no es un fantasma. ¡Localízalo! ¡Ay, idiota!
Clear. Overlord, this is Hunter. We're at the rendezvous, but no sign of the package.
Copy that. What's the situation?
Messy. House is ransacked. Paez must have bugged out.
Understood. We'll track his cell and try to get a fix on him.
What do we do in the meantime?
Keep our eyes open and get ready to do some hunting.
Hunter, Overlord, we've got Paez on comms. Patching him through directly.
Hello? Are you there?
Mr. Paez, my team's at the rendezvous, ready to get you out.
Someone tipped them off. They're after me. I'm on the move. You'll have to come to me. Demarc it. Hurry.
Go, get moving. Move to cover. Stay out of sight. Hold your fire. We need to see if there are any more around. Deploy a sensor. That'll give us a better idea. Right in front of us. Looks pretty light.
¡Cuidado!
Well, all right, let's go! Move! Get out of the way! Negative. That's it.
I'm reloading.
There he is. Visual on Paez. Get a sensor online.
Sensor deployed. 2 Apple. Hostile contact. Dead ahead.
También los ojos. Búsquenlo al Páez. Tiene que estar por aquí.
Protect the VIP. Engage all hostiles.
Hostile down.
Well, they know we're here now. Get ahead! Civilians, check fire! Cover, I'm moving!
Ok, sí, ya lo veo.
Hostile by that car! Assault rifle! Open up! I'm engaging!
¡Cuidado!
Let's finish him off!
Hurry up.
Got a man! Watch that window! Hostile down! Copy! Reloading! Up on that scaffold! It's a rifleman! Target down!
Hunter, this is Twisting. We're gonna make an attempt at the LZ, see if we can pull the VIP out.
Twisting, be advised. LZ is hot.
Understood, Hunter. We'll do our best.
Hurry up.
RPG!
Watch it, incoming!
Twisting, get clear. We'll rally at secondary.
Roger that. Good luck.
Keep it up!
He's down.
That's that container! Hostile down!
I'm being shot. Where the hell are you?
Hold it, stop! Watch left!
¡Smoke! ¡Quítanse ya, cabrones, o les mato! ¡Váyanse ya! ¡Lárganse ahorita!
Dropped one! Moving, cover!
¡Ahorita! ¡Disparen, disparen!
Form up on me. We've got some climbing to do.
Hunter, Overlord. We've got a fix on the VIP cell signal. We'll keep track of him for you.
Copy that. You sure he's worth the trouble?
That's a negative. But DIA wants him, so we deliver.
He knows we're the good guys, right?
He knows we're his only way out. That's gonna have to be good enough.
Doesn't seem too happy about it.
And if he survives, I'll be sure to remind him of his good fortune.
Let's see what's inside. Get a sensor in there.
Sí, he oído que más al norte hubo problemas. Sí, no hubiera encantado
Deploying sensor.
participar.
Hostiles. Set up to breach.
I got 4 hostiles squad arrival.
12 o'clock. Keep moving! Hostile down! Got him. Overlord Hunter, you got a status on the package?
Still on the move. Thermals are showing a lot of activity. The whole area's stirred up.
Search parties?
Mixed with civilians. Watch yourselves. Watch your targets.
Roger that. Go, get moving. That was subtle. Watch it, they're moving! Ah! Sensor out! Moving to cover! He's down! Nailed one! Watch that balcony! I got a pin! Target down! Let's go! Cover, I'm moving! Contact, got ahead! Be quick, stay out of the open. Move from cover to cover. I'm pinned! Lead, moving to clear! Hey, watch that big gun! Ah! Get up! 12 o'clock! Gunner on an MG! Frag out! Copy, frag! Moving position! Smoke 'em!
How much longer?
We're working our way to you, sir. Just be cool.
Your people told me they were sending the best. I hate to see your B team.
We're close. A couple more minutes will have you out of there. Come on, Colt! Get it together! Hit him hard while we got him round! He's down! Watch the 3 o'clock!
¡Denle duro, hermanos!
Target down! 3 o'clock!
They're in the street looking for me. What the hell are you doing?
We're clearing them out all the way, sir. Come on, let's move! Got one! Hostiles moving! 3 o'clock! They're on the balcony! Rifleman! Pick it up, come on! Squeeze under here. Watch your heads. We gotta keep pushing through! Keep moving! Moving, cover! roof! We got him now! He's down! On your left! They're on the roof! He's got another PSG! I'm reloading! That's the threat! Straight ahead!
This is Paez. Can you hear me?
We read you, sir. Go ahead.
I'm at the safe house. How much longer?
2, maybe 3 minutes. Are you secure? We don't want them to hear us coming. Switch to suppressed.
No, they're right outside. I should never have trusted you. And your people give me assurances.
Just stay calm, all right? Keep your head down. Sir, I assure you we'll get you out. If you do what I tell you.
Just hurry.
Fire! Fire! Come on, Ghost, we gotta move. Deploy sensors.
Looks like a couple riflemen. To our right.
Don't set off any alarms or they'll kill the VIP.
I'm moving. There's one more. In the tower. More of them. 3. On the right. See that shipping container? Next to it.
If they see us, they'll kill them for sure. Contact. It's light. On our 9.